This video will guide you through the Felix Goodson Library website and specifically the online resources for your speech communication class. Any internet-connected device may be used to locate the library landing page. Login credentials are required for off-campus users. Find a journal article, newspaper, database, or ebook, click the red bar, then select the English tab. While over 72 databases are available, starting your search with these two databases will help you narrow your topic and locate different viewpoints associated with current topics and social issues. In ProQuest's Points of View database, the example topic of electronic cigarettes provides an overview that prefaces points and counterpoints and includes a guide to critical analysis. EBSCO's SIRS Issue Researcher provides the overview, articles of different viewpoints, and an additional timeline feature. All databases include a Tools feature for saving, printing, and citing resources in MLA, APA, and Chicago Turabian writing styles. Note, too, that additional tutorials and other library services are also located on the library's landing page. To search for print or ebooks, click the red button, Find Books. Print books can be located in the library stacks according to the Dewey Call number. Ebooks are signified by the long red bar that links to the fully readable ebook. Further video tutorials for locating and navigating ebooks are listed with the vendor tutorials. A printed instruction for downloading ebooks to your iPad is available. Remember, library staff are always ready and eager to assist you in person, by phone, or email.